Struggling with Wi-Fi connectivity issues after updating to iOS 18.2? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, I'll guide you through a few simple steps to help resolve these problems so you can stay connected without any hassle. Let's dive right in. A good first step is to restart your iPhone. Wait a few moments and then press and hold the power button again until you see the Apple logo. Once your device restarts, check to see if the Wi-Fi issue is resolved. If that doesn't work, the next solution is to forget and reconnect to the network. Head to Settings, tap on Wi-Fi, and locate the network you're having trouble with. Tap the eye icon next to it, select Forget this network, and confirm. Then, reconnect by selecting the network again and entering your password. This can help fix any connection or authentication issues. Still no luck? Let's try resetting your network settings. Keep in mind that this will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords and VPN configurations, so make sure you have those handy. Go to Settings, then General, and scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, choose Reset Network Settings, and confirm your choice. Your iPhone will restart, and after it powers back on, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and see if the issue persists. And that's it. 3 straightforward steps to troubleshoot and fix Wi-Fi connectivity problems on iOS 18.2. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions.